Welcome guys, this is KOK Gift Baskets and more. Just want to bring to you my little candy concepts. I'm going to have candy in several different types of packaging. So this is one that I'm working on now. I'm working on these nice little shiny boxes. These came from Amazon. And in the box, I'm going to be putting a candy bar. This is one of the Christmas items from Dollar General last week. There was a quarter. So what I did was just put the hearts on the, wherever they had the Christmas wording or the Christmas ornaments and things like that. So what I did was just put the little heart stickers on there. I was going to create a label to go on it, but I changed my mind. This was much quicker. So I got this from the Dollar General sale, so I'm using that in this concept. I got the Hershey Kisses from the Dollar General sale. I got these little marshmallow poles from the sale. Let's see, I got the Reese's Christmas trees. And what I did was just used a sticker, a different type of sticker on this packaging. I also have these peppermint patties. They have snowflakes, but I'm going to leave those as they are. I have these Andes mints. All of this came from the Dollar General sale. And guys, these items should be 10 cents tomorrow. So go check it out. It says some things are going to a penny, but I'm not sure what it is. I just say go and scan. I got some Reese's peanut butter cups. So if you're looking for a discount, that's where you need to be. These are the Werther's caramels. They were part of the sale as well. And I was happy that they came individually wrapped. I had these last year. This is the little maze. It's shaped like a heart. And it says, "You amaze me, Valentine." So it came in 12. So I'm adding those into my little candy concepts. I did go ahead and purchase a big bag of Skittles, assorted Skittle packs. I purchased some Welch's, fruit snacks, Jolly Rancher, lollipops, blow pops, some of the Twix, Three Musketeers, little minis. Let's see. Okay, I think I got everything back here. Got to put an airhead in. I also purchased some airheads. So all of this that you see in front of you guys, I put it in these containers. And these are all completed. What I did was put the Hershey Kisses in the front. Put the little maze at the top. I used a piece of tape for that. And just loaded the back with all the other items. So what I did was left one so I can show you. I've already prepared the box. So the first thing I'm putting in is the Hershey Kisses. And I already put my little glue dots on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and just slide that down in the front. Okay, so I have that to the front. The next thing I'm going to put in is I'm going to slide my candy bar in the back. I'm going to go ahead and put some glue dots at the very top of this candy bar so we can keep it in one spot. Okay, so this is what we have so far, guys. The next thing I'm going to do, I went ahead and put where it says Santa's North Pole. I just went ahead and lined it up with all these little heart stickers. So I'm going to put that down in here. So on each side of the Hershey Kisses, there is some space. So on one side, I'm going to put a pack of Skittles. And on the other side, I'm going to put some fruit snacks. I'll put the Skittles on this little smaller side because the fruit snacks going to need a little bit extra space. Okay, so this is what the inside looks like so far, guys. Then my little Valentine little maze, I'm going to get some tape. And I'm going to just put it on the card. You see I have it facing up. This is the sticky part facing forward. And I'm going to bring the box to me, because what I'm going to do is tape it on the inside up here to toward the top. So I want to make sure I have it lined up as straight as I can. Okay. So that's how I have it at the top. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill up the interior of the box. So I'm going to go ahead, put some Skittles in. Go ahead and put my Reese's in. And put my Airhead. Going to get all my little lollipops in there as well. And just kind of put them in wherever you have space. And then I'm just going to start loading up with all these little individual candies. Okay. Then I'm going to take and shut the lid. I'm going to take the lid down. I'm going to tape it on both sides and in the back. Okay, so I have everything taped up. This is the end product, guys. Okay, so now, okay, let's see what this I have sticking up here. Go ahead and cut that off. All right, so now I have my bow, and this is just a bow I got from Temu. I'm going to have this at the top, just like you see the others. I cut that string because I'm definitely not going to be needing all of that. I'm just going to take it. I always like to put at least 2 or 3 knots in there. Cut it some more. Then I'm going to take my scissors and do a little swirl with this ribbon. Okay, so now I'm going to take the ribbon. I'm going to tape it down to the top of the box. And I'm going to leave the little fringe in the front. Okay, now what I'm going to do is put some glue dots on the tails of the ribbon or the tails of the bow. I want to make sure that it's sitting forward with the tails. And then I also like to put a little bit of little glue dots on some of the loops here. It just kind of keeps your bow sitting exactly like you want it, because it does move around, especially when you're handling it and you know, loading up to get to your venue. And so you want to, at least I do, like to make sure that the bow kind of stays in its place. Okay, so this is the finished product here. Then I also just used a little heart here, a little sticker heart, and just added it to the front. Okay, so this is one concept that I'm using for my candy. I have not yet decided what I'm going to price this little box at. I need you guys' help with that. So I showed you all the items that I've included, and I want to get, you know, some pointers on what you think the price should be. Even though it has this little heart maze in there, I wouldn't have a problem giving this to my husband. Okay, I still wouldn't have a problem giving this candy with that little maze in there. So I don't see that as only for kids. You can give any kind of cute little note to a significant other or your spouse or whatever. So it doesn't necessarily have to be for kids. I can almost bet there will be some people who will be purchasing it for an adult. But it's just a nice little assortment of candy. And especially for the candy lovers out there. I know my husband is a candy lover. So give me some ideas in the comments, guys, on price suggestions. I would appreciate it so much. Also, guys, I'm working on another concept here. This is one of the heart containers. This one is from last year, guys. This one says Be Mine. They may still have this design, but that's where I got it from. What I did was put some styrofoam in the bottom, added some of my roses, added 2 little heart picks, and I have 3 Ferrero Rochers, and just decorated the lid with some hearts. So give me some ideas on this one as well, guys. I'm gonna let you guys help me price these items, okay? So this is a nice size container. It came out really well. It was so easy to make. I have, let's see, 3, 6, 10 roses in this concept, okay? And so if you can help me in the comments for the rose box and then the candy boxes, just give me some prices. I appreciate it so much, guys. So that is it for this these 2 concepts. I'm going to continue working. I'm going to do a large gift next, and then I will definitely show that to you. I'm also going to do a candy bouquet. So I'm going to share all that with you in some later videos, guys. I appreciate you coming to see what I have going on. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you later, guys.